Designing effective e-learning for adults requires intentional instructional choices. Adult learners bring prior experience, established perspectives, and clear professional goals into the learning environment. Because of this, adult learning design must go beyond content delivery. It must support application, reflection, collaboration, and skill mastery in ways that align with real-world practice. In this course, 4 distinct learning design approaches were used. Each approach addresses a different instructional purpose and reflects evidence-based principles of adult learning. Together, assignments 1 through 4 demonstrate how to design inclusive, purposeful e-learning experiences for adults. Assignment 1 focuses on collaborative e-learning. Collaborative e-learning is designed to help adult learners learn through interaction with others. Instead of working independently, learners engage in shared problem-solving, discussion, and collective decision-making. This approach was chosen because collaboration is a core skill in most professional environments. Adults regularly work in teams, communicate across roles, and negotiate meaning with others. Assignment 1 emphasizes structured collaboration so that learning is active and inclusive. Learners contribute ideas, respond to peers, and reflect on group outcomes, rather than simply dividing tasks. This design supports communication skills, leadership development, and shared knowledge construction. Assignment 2 focuses on experiential and transformative e-learning. Experiential learning centers on learning through direct experience. Transformative learning goes further by encouraging learners to reflect on those experiences and examine their assumptions, beliefs, or perspectives. In Assignment 2, learners engage in realistic, practice-based experiences that mirror professional situations. They are then guided to reflect on what occurred, why it mattered, and how it influences future practice. This approach was selected because adult learners benefit from learning that connects theory to lived experience. Reflection allows learning to move beyond skill acquisition and into professional growth. Assignment 2 supports deeper understanding by combining action, reflection, and meaning-making. Assignment 3 focuses on problem-based e-learning. Problem-based learning begins with an authentic, complex problem rather than direct instruction. Learners must identify what they need to know, research relevant information, and apply knowledge to propose a solution. Assignment 3 was designed to reflect the kinds of challenges adults face in real work environments, where problems are often ambiguous and do not have a single correct answer. Learners analyze information, evaluate alternatives, and justify decisions using evidence. The emphasis is on the problem-solving process, not memorization. This approach builds critical thinking, inquiry skills, and confidence in decision-making. Assignment 4 focuses on competency-based e-learning. Competency-based learning prioritizes demonstrated mastery over time spent in instruction. Learners progress by showing they can perform specific skills to a defined standard. This model recognizes that adult learners enter courses with varying levels of prior experience. Some may need more practice, while others are ready to demonstrate proficiency immediately. Assignment 4 includes clearly defined competencies, transparent criteria, and flexible pathways for demonstrating mastery. Feedback is aligned to performance rather than participation alone. This approach supports autonomy, efficiency, and equitable learning opportunities. Together, Assignments 1 through 4 represent a comprehensive framework for adult e-learning design. Collaborative learning supports communication and shared understanding. Experiential and transformative learning supports reflection and professional growth. Problem-based learning supports critical thinking and applied reasoning. Competency-based learning supports mastery and self-directed progress. Effective adult learning design is not about choosing one model for every situation. It is about selecting the learning approach that best aligns with the instructional goal, the learners, and the context. These 4 assignments demonstrate how theory, research, and real-world application come together to create meaningful and effective e-learning experiences for adults.